Hey everyone, I'm Paulo, Manager of Design Services, part of the leadership team here at Brandish. Brandish is a strategic consultancy and marketing services agency. We've been talking about the importance of design and design thinking into brand and marketing strategies. And now we're going to explore how we're implementing design thinking into our work here at Brandish. We're using IBM Enterprise Design Thinking model as our starting point. This model is based on three main pillars: user outcomes, restless reinvention, and diverse and empowered teams. So let's focus on the first one, user outcomes. User outcomes is mostly a mindset that is aimed to provide solutions to help the user achieve a specific goal, need, or want. So it's very human-centered and focused on not asking ourselves what can we do with the tools and capabilities that we have internally, but rather asking what should we do to better address those needs that the user has. So the first step was to get everyone on the same page. In order to really have a company that is focused on the user, everyone needs to be aware of that. So getting our stakeholders, designers, developers, pretty much all of our internal team synchronized and rallying around that concept, we need to get everyone together and having those discussions about user needs and user outcomes from the beginning. We can't lock them into their own departments and waiting for them to just solve a small piece of the puzzle without getting the whole context of why we're doing this. So having those discussions from the beginning, as simple as it sounds, prove itself to be a game changer. An example of that is one of our graphic designers actually proposed a new reporting metric to one of our core clients and their social media strategies. That small change made a lot of difference into the analytics for that client, and it's a proof that when people have enough context and they feel empowered and engaged with other disciplines, they're more comfortable sharing their ideas, even though those ideas are not necessarily tied into their areas of expertise, because the focus is the user and helping them to achieve their goals. So it doesn't matter if I'm a designer or a developer, we're all trying to help the user to get things done. And how you're managing your team and encourage them to think outside of their work, outside of their disciplines, and focusing on user and the user outcomes. Drop me a line, send me a message, and I'll see you next time.